Do you have too much of fat accumulated around your belly area, that loose hanging belly, which is just so annoying? You can't even fit into your favorite clothes, and also it just looks so bad. And you've tried every trick in the book, but now it's time for my trick, because I've just got one simple and easy exercise for you to do every single day in the comfort of your own bed. That's all you need to do, laying in bed, and finally you can get rid of that hanging belly. If you try and hold your waist and you can actually feel the tires around your belly, that's not good. This waistline which you see is now 28 inches, used to be good 44 inches, believe it or not. But I managed to bring it down to 28 inches with these very easy and effective exercises, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. With the weather changing and becoming so cold out there, it's literally snowing. The best way to do your exercise in the comfort of your own very home on your bed. Now, if you can master this exercise, you're sure gonna get a toned, trimmed tummy very soon, because I know you're actually eating healthy and making all the extra effort. All you need is tightening and toning of that hanging loose belly fat. I promise you, after seeing this easy and magical exercise, you're definitely gonna thank me, because this exercise is completely doable, so easy and very effective. It's completely beginner friendly and no equipment needed. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So before we start the exercise, a warm-up is very important, because I suggest you to do this exercise every single morning as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach. Let's do the warm-up together. First, we're going to do the neck exercise. Now take it sideways. Then we are going to warm up the shoulders. This is very important, because this exercise is all for the upper body and especially your abdominal area. So the shoulder exercise done. Now we have to stretch our fingers like this. Just make a claw. Now let's stretch sideways. Breathe in when you come up. Breathe out. Let's do it again. And now let's stretch the abdominal area, which is the crux of this very exercise. Breathe out. Suck your stomach in as much as you can. Try and put your chin to your chest. And now breathe in. Lift your neck. Once again. Breathe out. Now breathe in. Your shoulders back, and now you're absolutely ready for the exercise I'm going to show you. So now we're going to lay back in bed for this very exercise. We're going to use our shoulders to our benefit. We're not going to take them all the way back over there. Keep it here, 90 degrees angle. We're going to take our legs up, bring it all the way to the chest. Breathe out when you do this, and yet again with the other leg. This is completely beginner friendly and just so easy. And now you probably realize why we did that warm up. If you have a stiff back, a stiff neck, you can actually do the warm up for a bit longer. So this exercise is just so easy and completely beginner friendly. It's actually going to help you burn that very belly area, which is all the loose hanging belly fat you've been trying to get rid of for the longest period of time. This is very effective for the lower belly and around the love handle area, which is the most problem area for many of the people who can't even button their shirts. So now this is actually going to help you achieve a dream body. Let's do it together. If you're a beginner, you can do it slowly And if you think you've graduated to the intermediate level, you can actually do it slightly faster. Just make sure you breathe out when you bring it all the way to your chest. Now we can just take it a bit faster to feel all the more effect and burn around the lower belly and that hanging belly fat. Now breathing is a very important part of any exercise. If you can learn the right breathing technique, then you can master the exercise and use it to your benefit to give you the best results. But if you're not sync with your breathing and the exercise technique, then any number of exercises you can do, but you won't see the results. Now that's enough. I'm going to show you the next level. Now I've already shown you the beginner level and I've also shown you the intermediate level, which can actually get you very good results. But what about taking it a notch higher to finally melt away that belly fat and finally fit into your dream dress? Now if you take it a notch higher, the results are definitely better and quicker. Now let me show you the advanced level, which is also very easy to do, but there's a caution for people who have a backache or who are pregnant. They are not supposed to do these exercises. Now let's do it together. Now for the advanced level, just as the beginner friendly, you again have to take your leg up like this, but this time you have to bring both the legs up together. Let's do it. You can support your back with your palms like this. And don't touch your legs on the bed. Breathe out when you bring it up towards your chest. This is even more effective than the beginner level. I can already feel the burn around my lower belly, that hanging loose belly fat area which many people have. You're sure to see results with this exercise. Whew, done with the exercise. Wasn't that so easy and effective in the comfort of your own home? Just laying in bed, this is how you can actually achieve a slim and trim waistline. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you follow healthy eating habits along with this, you're sure to see better and faster results. And I'm a certified dietitian. So many people who've joined my program are already is seeing fabulous results. They've lost weight eating their favorite foods, have just customized the diets according to their daily routine. Now, if you're looking for a customized paid diet plan, you can actually contact me on the number given below. I'll see you again with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.